Welcome to Dipansh video time. Today we are going to be making a platformer. Well, this is a series for the platformer, okay? So, today we are just going to be start simple by doing some player movement, and then also with that we are also going with the player movement to a little bit of platformer physics. Our player is going to be a little bit simple, and then we'll change our player while the time comes. So let's create a new project. Well, thinking that you already know all the platformer physics, I'm going to be going fast. So first, let's just make. I'm just going to be making my simple little player with nice eyes. And then with black hands inside. Yeah, so this is just going to be my player. And then after that, let's paint my level to be purplish or dark bluish. Yeah, purple's a better color, don't you think? Yeah, me too. Or we could just stick with this color. I like it. I'll adjust with a little bit of more colors added. Control C, Control V. I want this to be a little green. And then another square. I'm just trying to make it simple as I can, okay? So don't blame. Control C, Control V. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, then a light bluish square kind of rectangle. Bluish. Okay. So yeah, there we go. This is going to be our level. So let's get started. Hoping that you already know, let's go a little bit fast, okay? So as usual, when green flag clicked, variable resetting. So make a variable xv and yv. Set xv to be 0, set yv to be 0. A forever loop. Change yv by -1. And then our left and right movement. So let's put two if checks with key right and key left arrow. Woohoo, I'm getting very excited. So platformer series 1, huh? Okay, then after that we will have to change x and change y. So change x by 1, change x by -1. Then for setting our x and y variables, so set xv to xv times 0.9. Just remember that the closer the number is to 1, the more slippier the number feels. And then we can change x by x. V. Now let's make our player go to a nice position. I have chose x of -131 and a y of 28. Great. Now let's make slope collision. So let's create a simple slope over here. Okay. We can just make this to be somewhere like that to make it look nice. Okay. So here I can put an if touching sprite. Now I'm using touching sprite because it will let my game work faster. Touching color only does one color, which will with multiple colors make our project move slower. Then after that, in there I can put a change y by 1 before the touching level. Duplicate this. There is 6 of these. In the last one, change y by -5. And then change xy, x times -1, xv times -1. Then we will set xv to be 0. Okay, great. It works perfectly. Then I will change y by yv on the end, which will just make our player fall down. Collision time. If my player is touching the level, make it set yv to 0. With that, change y by yv times -1. Woo! And yeah, it works properly. Just one thing. We will have to do the jumping code, right? Put the change y by -1 and then with that change y by 1. In middle of these, put a if block with an and. On the right hand side, put the touching level. On the left hand side, put a key up arrow is pressed. Then on the middle, I will set yv to be 15, for example. And yeah, that looks like a nice and a basic platformer, doesn't it? I hope you like this. If you really like this, please like and subscribe my channel. Until next time, wait for the next episode to come. Woohoo!